Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at just a stunning 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle, matching numbers, 396 car. Very nice car, guys. I bought it locally from a gentleman. Actually, I guess I'll say I was the third wheel on a trade. I had a gentleman get in touch with me who had a truck for sale. This gentleman had this car that he wanted to trade with him on it, and so I ended up buying this car so that they could do their trade on the truck. But beautiful car. This car came out of a Chevelle collection. The man who had this car for quite a long time, and I guess he had 8 Chevelles. He bought this car out of a museum. It's probably about a 15-year-old frame-off restoration, but again, matching numbers, 396 car, factory tack and gauges, and very, very nice. It's finished in Fathom green metallic. It's got slick paint. Again, it is an older restoration, but still very nice. You can nitpick a couple of stone packs and stuff like that, but this car has been very well maintained. Like I said, came out of about an 8-car Chevelle collection. Chrome and stainless is very nice on the car. There's not a whole lot I can really pick, guys. This car is nice. Got a couple of the original T3 headlights still in it. The original owner's manuals are in the glove box. But very, very nice. Slick paint. Very nice on the bottom. Pretty car. Just really a nice quality car, guys. Vinyl top's in great shape. You can see the glass is all real nice. This truly is a collector quality car. Really nicely done. 99,000 original miles on the car. Just laser straight down the sides, guys. It's got a brand new set of BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the 15-inch American Racing torque thrust Ds on it. They're 15x8s all the way around. Again, you can see a little, couple little stone packs. There's a couple things you can kind of pick like that, but man, very nice car. Factory front disc brakes. They added that 396. That's not correct up on that stripe. It's just something somebody added. Actually, the gentleman that I bought it from didn't. The car actually sat in a museum like that. Somebody just liked the 396 emblems and added them. Again, it is a matching numbers, 396, 325 horsepower, stock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Detailed up very nice underneath the hood. I mean, there's just not a whole lot to really pick at on this car. Very, very nicely done. 400 turbo trans. It's got the stock air cleaner with the chrome valve covers. Really nicely done. Pretty paint. Guys, I can tell you, I literally just bought 15 cars this weekend. which are all on their way, making their way here to Michigan in the next week or so. So make sure you're keeping track of my site. Got a bunch of new cars coming. Look how nice the bottoms of the doors are. Just a great car. I'd say these door pads, I think the interior in this car is original. They might have recovered the seats. Again, look how nice those door jambs are. Bucket seats, console, stock SS steering wheel. It's in very good shape. It's got the original starting instructions up there on the sun visor. Factory dash. 99, I don't know if you can see with that sun in the background, 99,151 on the odometer. Again, factory tach and gauge car. He's got some aftermarket gauges under there too. Factory AM/FM radio. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got the stock 12-bolt 323 limited slip rear end in it with the rear sway bar. Again, as you can see just how nice and clean this car is. Really nicely done, guys. And just a great car. It drives out excellent. All spackle painted in the trunk. Sorry, the little mat's sticking down a little bit, but you can see it's beautiful. Factory jack with the spare. Sun's right behind me. It makes a pain in the butt trying to video these things. Plus these darker colors, man, they're tough. Look how nice that car is underneath. Rock solid body. Love this car. Seats are very nice. Pretty car. Have Jay fired up here. It does look like it has the original door handles. You can kind of pick at those a little bit, but the car runs out excellent too. Just a good car. Yeah, you see kind of pick at the door handles a little bit. They all have something, guys. Looks like everything in there is working, isn't it, Jay? Yeah, and the stuff down below is working. I don't know if you're going to see the sun's right behind me, but the turn signals were. We got one backup light bulb out, but that backup light didn't work.
I'm not getting
Nope.
it to come on.
I didn't. I know the blower motor works, but the radio, the stock AM/FM does not work. Doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, I love that car right there. That is a pretty Chevelle. Have a great day, guys.